Hey Molly, it's Marissa. I just wanted to thank you so much for doing Boudoir Certified. I was ready to transition out of medicine and into photography, which has always been a passion. I'm still in transition, but working just 2 to 3 days a month. In the last 4 months, I've made over $7,000, and my fall is completely booked up. I have loved learning everything. I've loved our community. It's such wonderful, supportive, loving people in the group, and I've made some really great friendships. Anyone who is considering doing Boudoir Certified, don't think twice. Sign up. Molly is the best mentor that we could ask for. She gives us so much. She's always there for us. And like I said, you meet so many other wonderful people in the group that it's just this beautiful Boudie community. It's absolutely fantastic. If you already have a thriving photography business, you're just going to soar even higher. If you're brand new like I was, you're going to start a business that's going to kick ass, and it's going to be amazing. So join us. I'd love to meet you. Molly, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.